Kasi
Yung pala ang
nagmamariwana ako.
adik eh. Siya pala ang bangag. Ano ba kayo?
Para magising.
Pero yung fentanyl, was to cut it into 4 pieces, the 1 piece that you get from the package. And there was a time na yung more than just the disappearance of Maine, you feel that you are on cloud 9. Para bang everything is okay with the world. Nothing to worry about. Ang hindi ko na nakalimutan ko just before I went to the doctor is
Yung pag-inom nyo ng fentanyl, sabi ng mga doktor, overdose na yung pag-inom ninyo.
Correct.
At nakaka-addict na nga raw. At
Correct.
kayo raw ang #1 drug addict.
Correct. Nilagay ko lahat. Maganda ang feeling. Para kang nasa... I have never been to paradise, but I've been there.
Mapriso ka.
Parang paradise.